let us now listen to the feedback from the workshop. You have all provided your feedback. Not only you, some of the mentors who were associated with your groups have also provided the feedback. And so that particular feedback in the form of a collage will be presented now. Hari Om.
Hari Om. So we have now seen the video presentations of the workshop. We have also witnessed the interactive finale of this workshop, and we also saw some of the experiences shared by some mentors and also some participants of the workshop. So this brings us to the completion of the workshop. The workshop may end, but we all know, right, that learning never ends. In this workshop, there have been many takeaways for all of us, whether it has been us, the organizers, the mentors, or the children. There has been plenty of takeaways from this workshop. The children actually were shaken out of their comfort zone, and they had to communicate and deal with a set of people completely new to them, completely unfamiliar to them. And added to that was the fact that they were interacting across the screen, not physically. So it was indeed a challenge. Also, they had to spare a good deal of their free time for this workshop and stay committed to the workshop throughout. And in this context, they might have felt some kind of resistance even within themselves. However, for those who took up this opportunity, there was an immense amount of learning that they had, and they have indeed come out mentally stronger and wiser to deal with all the things that they will face in future. So we all know, right, after all, that stone didn't simply magically turn into an idol, nor did that bamboo twig just like that magically turn into a beautiful flute. So, well, when it comes to such workshops and such activities and events, the inspiration is always by the grace of the Guru. We offer our sincere gratitude and pranams, heartfelt gratitude at the holy feet of Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand Ji. And all the Balvihar activities in Bengaluru are blessed and guided by our very own Puja Swami Brahmanand Ji. Our sincere pranams and heartfelt gratitude to Swamiji for giving us this opportunity to conduct this workshop. We had a core team of Balvihar Sevaks who put their thoughts together and came up with plenty of topics, of which they finalized 5 topics, and they also brought out modules and designed the workshop and as to how it would be executed too. So we offer our sincere thanks to this core creative team that has contributed in a very valuable way for the entire duration of this workshop. We had a set of 15 mentors, one mentor guiding each group, and these mentors had to carve out time from their busy schedules, whether it was work schedule or work at home or with their own children. They had to take out time to schedule meetings for this workshop, get the kids together, ensure that they were on track and on time. So a lot of hard work has gone in from the mentor's side, and a heartfelt and sincere thanks to this entire team of 15 mentors. They also had to communicate repeatedly with children and even parents whenever needed. So it was a big learning, a challenge, and an enjoyable journey for them too through this workshop. And without them, this workshop may not have been as efficient as it has been. So our heartfelt thanks to this set of 15 mentors. This workshop would not have happened if not for those for whom it was meant for. And yes, I'm talking of the children, the participants. And it is important for us to acknowledge and recognize the support that the parents and the other family members of the participants would have given. And yes, thank you, dear children and parents. The moderator of today's event, Shiva, has been with us from scratch to completion. So thank you, Shiva, for being with us as part of that core creative team, for sharing your knowledge and guiding the discussions today. The videos which were made by the teams were put together so seamlessly and beautifully by the tech team. They are part of the Chinmaya Yuva Kendra team. They were also instrumental in bringing this live streaming so efficiently, along with all the embellishments, to us in the comforts of our homes. Thank you, Pavitra, Anirudh, Nitish, and Karthik. We hope the situation will return to some kind of normalcy and we will meet together physically for the next workshop. Well, in case we need to do it virtually, we have a chance to improve upon this effort. Either way, we hope to see many more children in Senior Bal Vihar across Bengaluru signing up for such workshops and reaping the joys and benefits. Let us all pray now to the Almighty for the good of all through the Shanti Patha and offer our promises through the pledge. Hari Om.
Now we will have Shanti Pat. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Now we will take the pledge. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage, and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is the devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat. Thank you all. Hari Om.